Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to change Netflix automatic payment. So what you're gonna have to do first of all is to sign into your Netflix account, and after that you're gonna have to simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner. After that you're gonna have to simply click on account, and then you're gonna get redirected here. So simply click on manage payment info, and then here if you want you can add a new payment method. So you can simply click on add payment method, and then you're gonna have to choose either credit or debit card or your PayPal account, and you can simply add them, and you can make them preferred, so it's gonna use for the next payment this one, the new one that you just added. Now if you want to change the Netflix automatic payment, you're gonna have to simply click on the edit button next to your payment method, and then you're gonna have to simply click on change billing day, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.